Today I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful way to temporarily disable your WordPress site without installing any plugins. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to put your site into a maintenance mode using just a small snippet of code, so your visitors see a clean, under maintenance page while you work behind the scenes. This method keeps things lightweight and safe and gives you full control. Let's dive in. First things first, we'll be using a manual approach instead of plugins. Why do this? Well, sometimes you want the job done fast and without adding extra bloat to your site. Plugins are helpful, but every plugin you add can slow things down or create potential conflicts. With a neat code snippet, you get exactly what you need, no more, no less. Go ahead and open up your WordPress dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate to Appearance, then click on Theme File Editor. Make sure you're working inside the theme currently active on your site. You'll find the Functions PHP file on the sidebar. Now, before editing anything, it's always good practice to make a backup of your theme or at least the Functions PHP file. That way, if something goes wrong, you can quickly restore things. Take a moment to copy and paste the contents into a text document before moving on. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now let's actually add the code. You're going to be pasting in the snippet below, function WP maintenance mode. If current user can edit themes, is user logged in. WP die h1 under maintenance /h1br/ we are making updates. Please check back soon. Add action get header WP maintenance mode. What's happening here? This code checks every visitor to your site. If someone is not logged in as a user who can edit themes, which is basically an admin or site editor, it shows them a custom under maintenance message and blocks access to all public pages. Think of it as closing the front door of your shop but letting staff work inside. Don't worry if you're not a coder, you're just copying and pasting. Paste the code at the bottom of your Functions PHP file, then save your changes. This part might take a few moments, depending on how comfortable you are with the editor. If you ever see a white screen or an error, don't panic, just remove the snippet or restore your backup. The change is live instantly. As soon as you save, every non-logged-in visitor is greeted with the maintenance message. Your site is safe from public view while you make updates or test out new features. During this period, only admins can see the actual site and work as usual. When you're ready for your audience to come back in, maybe you've finished updating plugins, tweaking your design, or fixing bugs, simply open up the Functions PHP file again and delete the snippet. Save it and your site returns to normal, welcoming visitors with your usual content. A quick reminder, use code with caution. Editing theme files is powerful, but small mistakes can cause trouble. If you're ever unsure, reach out for help or practice on a test site first. I hope this tutorial helped you confidently enable and disable maintenance mode on your WordPress site, fast and fuss-free. If you found this walkthrough useful, please give the video a thumbs up, drop any questions or feedback in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next site update.